Hello, my name is Jim Woodland and this is my brother Jason, and we are the owners of This and That Productions, a fabrication and design company.
Our newest product we've designed to fit on the hinge side of the door. It contains the key in the lock box, which fits on this doorknob. We've designed it to fit on this side of the door because we found that hanging it on the doorknob, whether you have a latch handle or a regular doorknob, there's a lot of movement on that side of the door, and the lock box damages the door, it scratches it up, or it could close onto the door jamb. Fitting on this side of the door, very little movement, no damage. It's very easy to install. You just open the door, slip it on, slide it down, and close the door. You'll see there's very little movement.
I really want you to slam the door this time. Harder. This is a really nice home.
Yeah, I think you'll like it a lot. It's very nice. Come on in, let's take a look.